Oh, good morning, boys and girls. Well, later in the morning than the last time I made a video, about 4 or 5 hours. Yeah, so got this painting all done. Like I said, this is my first 3-piece. So, gonna move and do whatever it's gonna do. I tried to get a better picture or a video of actually making it, but yeah, I fumbled with one hand. Sorry about that. I will get a proper setup for the next video, even if it's hanging it from a piece of tape from the ceiling. Oh look, it had a baby. Yeah, never throw away that extra paint, guys. Always, you got extra paint, after you're done, just have a couple pieces of tile or canvas or whatever left over. You never know what you can be able to create with it. I think that one's actually, I like that one the best. I wish that one represented this guy the whole way through. This one's still cool, but that's more of what I was going for to begin with. And I got this. I didn't use enough reds, I don't think. I should have put more reds interspersed, like maybe towards the very beginning of the cup when I started filling it, because that would come out last, and that would have shown up in this area more than that little tiny bit. But oh well, still cool, still worth pursuing. And I'm going to set this guy up, and I'm going to disjoint it, so it's going to be kind of at an angle with gaps like that. I'm going to set the whole thing in about a 1/2 inch of epoxy. This is going to be an epic piece. I look forward to it. Look forward to sharing it with you. Alright, take care.